Hey friends, Mr. J here. I'm in the gym here at Parkside. You can see I have my equipment behind me, so I want to show you some things before we get started with our first activity. So I know when a lot of you think of golf, you're probably thinking of equipment like this. You can see in this hand I have my putter, maybe something that you've used in mini golf. Here I also have my wedge. So two things that golfers use, you've probably seen these before on TV, or if you've been maybe on a miniature golf course, or maybe if some of you even playing golf on your Nintendo Wii or something like that. So these are real pieces of golf equipment. These are really heavy, strong metal. So these are things that real golfers use. We're not going to be using these in the gym or at home, but I did want to take some time just to show you what equipment real golfers do use. As I said before, the only thing that you need is a balled up sock. So I have a balled up sock here, and you can see my yellow bucket is behind me. For the first part of this activity, you're just going to practice throwing your sock ball into your bucket from a distance of 5 steps away. So my bucket is behind me, 5 steps away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn, and you're going to stay in one spot. You're going to throw, and I'm going to take some tries to get it into my bucket. Okay, when you are throwing, you want to make sure that you are stepping with your opposite foot and bringing that arm way back. So I'm left-handed, so this is how I would throw. Step with my opposite foot, bring the arm way back, and toss. So you can see I missed, so that would count as 1 point. All right. However, I'm not going to bring my sock ball back here and throw. I'm going to throw it from right there. And then I throw it from right here. So my score would be 2. So I can try again. Remember, 5 steps away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step, throw. So that time it only took me 1 throw to get it in. All right. So that second time I did a lot better because I did it in 1 throw as opposed to 2. So one more time. Remember, 5 steps away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step and throw. So that time I missed. You can see my sock came untied, so I just need to ball it back up again, and then take my second throw from right here, and then my final score would be 2. So you can see I did 3 tries with my best score was 1. That would be equivalent to a hole-in-1, which means I only needed 1 throw to get it in. So for your first activity, take some turns 5 steps away from your bucket and give it a try.